You know what pisses me off? People who don't use their turn signals. That's not true. You're driving to or from work, trying to drive safely, being respectful to others on the road. And bam, some car just cuts into your lane without any notice. You keep your cool and carefully change lanes, and then the driver cuts you off again. These drivers are jackasses. No, they're not. They never consider the safety of other drivers. Hell, it's not that hard to move your finger 1 freaking inch to signal you're changing lanes.
From now on, I too will be abstinent. I'll be as untouched as the turn signal in an Asian woman's car.
How much signal I need to cut across 8 lane? None? I turn now. Good luck, everybody else.
People, we share the road. Don't be such jackasses. Use your damn turn signals if you want to.